Alrighty, we're back, everyone. Obviously, we got the engine in the car, everything connected. Don't need to tell people how to do that. We're going to leave the audio on so that we can hear me trying to start it. Always nervous this time. Yeah, still sounds like an engine. There's no leaks. Thumbs up. Didn't blow up. Good to go. No metal part scraping. Nothing like that. So I think that was without fuel. Yeah. So we unplugged the ECU fuse. I believe that disables fuel and spark, I think, too. Everything related to the ECU. So obviously putting this back in, engine trans went in without turbo manifold, turbo. Usually keep the air intake plenum on, although it hits the firewall when you're trying to get this thing in. All the tubing, all the other pipes, radiator and pipes get connected later on. You get the clutches connected, of course. What are we doing here? Just closing the door a bit. Clutch is connected. Power steering, I don't think is connected in any way. And catch can is there too, and all vacuum lines. Fuel lines are connected, injectors are connected. And yeah, let's see what happens here. So let's start it in just about 3 seconds. There's fuel pump. On deck. Yeah, that was a ripoff of South Main. Shout out to him. I do watch his videos. Alright, let's see if we can fast forward this a little bit. I don't think we try for a tiny bit here. 1 sec. Yeah, okay, crop a little bit out. Let's see if we can start this thing. It's coming in about 5 seconds here. Lovely ICV issues. Wouldn't be a Honda. That was an abrupt stop. Not sure what to think of that. Alright, try again. Sounds great, and compared to before, it sounds free-flowing, free-moving, and yep, thumbs up. It's an adrenaline rush. Such a nervous time. Anyway, yeah, it sounds great. There's maybe some rattling things going on there besides the clutch, and super happy with it. And like I said, it seems to run smoother. New bearings, new parts, everything like that, and less resistance. And yeah, we don't start this again, so we'll end this video here. Thanks everyone for watching though. It's good news. So far we'll have some shots of this on the road eventually, and rolling around with the new pistons and rings and everything on the goal to 500 horsepower. Thanks everyone.